Okay, so we're dealing with subtracting expressions. The problem says which expression is equivalent to 7x minus 5 minus 3x minus 2. Okay, so subtracting expressions is very similar to adding expressions. We just have one additional step. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite the problem. 7x minus 5 and then minus 3x minus 2. Okay, right? So the first step, the first thing that you want to do before you group, so when we were adding expressions, we just grouped the like terms because we were just combining immediately. When you're subtracting, you have to distribute minus sign to every term in your second expression. Okay, so distribute the minus sign, or you could think of it as -1 or -1 to every term in your second expression. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, anytime you have this minus sign, this minus sign is the same thing as saying -1 times, in this case, 3x minus 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite the 7x minus 5 keeping it in parentheses. Then I'm going to take that -1, put it over here. I'm just trying to keep the same colors. 3x minus 2. And then I'm going to distribute. I'm going to distribute that -1 to the 3. Then I'm going to distribute that -1 to the -2. So I'm multiplying. So here, this is going to become, this is going to stay as 7x minus 5. And then this becomes -1 times 3x, positive 3x becomes a -3x. And then -1 times -2, and negative times a negative is going to give me a +2. Okay, so now step 2, I can group like terms. So in this case, I have 7x and minus 3x. So I have 7x minus 3x, right? So I'm just going to underline those, right? 7x minus 3x. And I'm going to use yellow. I have -5 and +2. And I have -5 and then +2. Okay. Now the last step is going to be to combine my like terms. Okay. So here I have 7x minus 3x. So 7x minus 3x, that just gives me 4x. Then I have -5 plus 2, which equals -3. So my final answer is going to be, I'm just going to combine these two to form my expression, 4x minus 3, which is option D. There you go.